Will robots take over your job? The answer is complex. Across various industries, AI technology is being integrated to enhance efficiency and productivity. From manufacturing to healthcare, AI is making a significant impact. Stay tuned as we explore how AI is reshaping the job market and what it means for you. From job displacement to new opportunities, we've got it all covered. AI is already changing the face of many industries. Manufacturing was an early adopter. AI-powered machines assemble products with precision. These machines can work tirelessly, ensuring that each product meets exact specifications, reducing errors and increasing output. Even in agriculture, AI is making a significant impact. AI-driven machinery is optimizing planting and harvesting processes, leading to higher yields and more sustainable farming practices. Farmers can now make data-driven decisions to improve crop quality and reduce waste. In the finance sector, AI is analyzing market trends and making investment recommendations, helping investors make more informed decisions. This level of analysis was previously unimaginable and is now becoming a standard practice. The transportation industry is also experiencing a revolution with the advent of self-driving cars. AI is making travel safer and more efficient, reducing the likelihood of human error and accidents. In healthcare, AI is being used to analyze medical images, diagnose diseases, and even personalize treatment plans. Robots assist surgeons with delicate procedures. These surgical robots provide enhanced precision, reducing the risk of complications and improving patient outcomes. They are revolutionizing the way surgeries are performed. Customer service is another sector being transformed. Chatbots answer questions and resolve issues 24/7. These AI-driven chatbots can handle a wide range of inquiries, providing quick and accurate responses and freeing up human agents to handle more complex issues. Companies across all sectors are embracing AI. Statistics show a significant increase in AI adoption over the past few years. This trend is only going to accelerate. As AI technology continues to develop, it will become even more integrated into our workplaces. But what does this mean for the average worker? While AI presents many opportunities, it also raises concerns about job displacement. Certain jobs are more susceptible to automation than others. These tend to be roles involving repetitive tasks, data entry, and predictable physical work. For example, factory workers, truck drivers, and cashiers are among those whose jobs are considered to be at risk. AI can now perform these tasks more efficiently and at a lower cost. This doesn't necessarily mean these jobs will disappear entirely. However, it does suggest a shift in the job market. Workers in these fields will need to adapt and acquire new skills to remain competitive. Feeling worried? Don't be. We'll also look at the new jobs AI is creating. Stay with us. The rise of the machines. New jobs in the age of AI. The rise of AI isn't just about replacing existing jobs, it's also creating new ones. These new roles are often in fields that didn't even exist a decade ago. Take, for example, the role of an AI specialist. These professionals design, develop, and implement AI systems. Data scientists are another example. They analyze large data sets to identify trends and insights, helping businesses make better decisions. And then there are robotic engineers who design, build, and maintain the robots that are transforming industries. These are just a few examples of the many new job opportunities emerging as a result of AI. These roles require specialized skills and knowledge, highlighting the importance of education and training in the age of AI. But it's not just about new jobs. AI is also enhancing traditional roles. Coming up, we'll see how AI is transforming existing jobs. Which AI-related job would you be interested in? Let us know in the comments. AI as your new coworker. Transforming how we work AI isn't just about replacing jobs, it's also transforming existing ones. In many cases, AI is acting as a powerful tool that enhances human capabilities. Take the medical field, for example. AI is helping doctors diagnose diseases earlier and more accurately. In education, AI is personalizing learning experiences for students, providing tailored instruction and feedback. These are just a few examples of how AI is changing the way we work across various industries. By automating routine tasks, AI frees up human workers to focus on more complex and creative aspects of their jobs. The future of work is not about humans versus machines. It's about humans and machines working together. This collaboration between humans and AI leads to greater efficiency, productivity, and innovation. But to understand the full impact of this technological shift, we need to look back at history. Echoes of the past, lessons from industrial revolutions gone by. The current AI revolution is not the first time technology has disrupted the job market. In fact, history is replete with examples of how technological advancements have reshaped industries and the workforce. Each wave of innovation has brought with it a mix of challenges and opportunities, forcing societies to adapt and evolve. Throughout history, technological advancements have led to significant shifts in the way we work. From the steam engine to the internet, each new technology has revolutionized industries, altered job roles, and transformed economies. These changes have often been met with resistance and fear, but they have also paved the way for progress and growth. The Industrial Revolution, for example, saw the mechanization of many tasks previously done by hand. This period marked a significant turning point in human history, as machines began to take over labor-intensive tasks, leading to increased productivity and efficiency. However, it also meant that many traditional jobs were rendered obsolete, causing widespread concern and uncertainty. This led to job losses in some sectors, but also created new opportunities in others. The invention of the automobile, for instance, displaced horse-drawn carriage drivers, but created jobs in the automotive industry. This new industry not only provided employment opportunities, but also spurred innovation in related fields such as road construction, oil and gas, and urban planning. The ripple effects of this technological advancement were far-reaching and transformative. Similarly, the rise of computers and the internet in the 20th century led to significant changes in the workplace. These technologies revolutionized communication, data processing, and information sharing, making it possible to work more efficiently and collaboratively. Entirely new industries emerged, and existing ones were transformed, creating a dynamic and interconnected global economy. The key takeaway from these historical examples is that technological advancements often lead to both job displacement and job creation. The challenge is to adapt to these changes and acquire the skills needed for the jobs of the future. The lessons from past industrial revolutions remind us that while change can be daunting, it also brings the promise of progress and a better future for all. Future-proof your career thriving in an AI-driven world. So, how can you prepare for the future of work in an AI-driven world? The key is to be proactive and embrace lifelong learning. Identify the skills that will be in high demand in the future and invest in developing those skills. This might involve taking online courses, attending workshops, or pursuing a degree in a relevant field. Focus on developing skills that are uniquely human, such as creativity, critical thinking, communication, and collaboration. Which part of this video resonated most with you? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful content. Thanks for watching.